I got this antique watering can from Target. And it was for water, and I like this. Put some water. I got this from Target.
What is it called?
It's called a watering can, and
What did you call it before?
Watering can.
You called it something else.
Wait, that means
You said something else in front of it. What did you say it was? Something?
Duh.
You called it an antique. What's an antique?
It's something really old, and this one is really old, but this one is actually rare. I found this one at Target, and I like to put in water.